And two of my stocks that I'm into have dropped 30% overnight, okay? Okay, but when you have a drop like this, it's something you really want to look at. And what's happened today is the earnings have come out on these two companies last night. People obviously looked at it. They didn't hit the earnings that they thought they were going to, and they go, oh, that's it. This company's crap. I'm out. And then they sell all their stocks. So then that brings stocks down. Okay, so now what I have to do is go in and have a look and think, all right, is this company worth it for me to put more money in? Or is it a flop and I'm just going to hold right now and let it ride out and see what happens? Okay, now the first one we're talking about here is Honest. Now, Honest was created by Jessica Alba. Okay, she got out of acting and she decided to make a company, and it sells all different types of stuff, baby products and wipes and things like that. Okay, it was a bit of a gamble for me in the beginning. It has had great success. I have bought and sold a fair few times in this company, but today we're looking at, let's say right now, a 29.39% drop in one night. Okay, if I go onto it, you can see that in the past year, we're sitting at $2.33 right now. My buy-in on this is about $3.30. Okay, so I've lost a bit of money on this one. But you can have a look, and it also tells you that the top was $8.25 for this for the year. So a long way to go, and it's fallen a long way, okay? Like I said, I have made money before on this stock. At $2.33, I really like this because I liked Honest under $3, okay? If you have a look on my little program here, it does tell me that the price target for this is actually $4.25. So it's almost double what it is now. I'm going to certainly put probably $200 or $300 into my bag on this one. I'm not sure what I have. I'll just let you know. Go to my other finance. I use Google Finance, okay, to keep track of everything. And there's Honest there, and it's telling me I have... Oh, Honest, I'm pretty small. Wow, okay. I only have $140 in Honest at the moment. I did have a couple grand in, but when it went... I think it went to $5 at one stage, and I did sell a big chunk. Once again, buying low, selling high, okay? And that's how I've turned $40,000 that I originally started with in the stock market 4 years ago into almost $200,000, okay? Buying low, selling high. So I will put some more into this. I think I'm going to put $300 into this, and that'll take me up to nearly $500 worth. I'm happy with that. And if it comes down even more, you just, add another $50, add another $100. The other company, this is one that I really, really like. This is e.l.f. Beauty. Okay, one of the big players in the world, actually, mainly America, but e.l.f. Beauty everywhere in America. I don't know too much in Australia. I haven't really seen it, but I don't really go looking in Myers and that for e.l.f. Beauty. A $4.34 billion company, not small at all. I currently have $420 in e.l.f. Once again, I did actually sell out of this back when, what did it get to? It got to, hang on, let's just have a look. Shares here. If you ever want to know what programs I use, guys, just write it in the comment below. I'll let you know how I do all this. Okay, so I sold out at $130, okay? Because my buy-in was about $80, okay? I saw a big chunk of change there, and now I know I had a few grand in this, but it continued to go up from the 140 odd I sold, and it went to $150. Okay, so that's when you're kind of going, oh no, what have I done? It's gonna go to the moon. But we're not about that. We're about making little profits, so that we can then go back and buy on times like this. 35% drop overnight, and once again, they just didn't make their earnings, so people freak out. It's now $76. I am going to put $1,000 on this, okay, at this price, okay? It's saying that I actually have $850 invested, but I'm down to $560 value because I've just had a big cut. Like, my portfolio is pretty much cut in half because I lost all that money from e.l.f. But here's the good buying opportunity. We go in, we buy these companies, these good companies, when they're low, and then we can wait and ride it out, and it may go to $150 again. Then you double your money really easy. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Please go up and have a look at my other videos. Please like as well. Like all my stuff, okay? And I'll catch you later.